Hello everyone. Today's class for class 8 chapter number 5 and that is coal and petroleum. Second part we are going to start. In last lecture we have discussed about coal resources. Let's a quick recap. Under this topic we have learned what are exhaustible resources, which means they are very limited in nature. Inexhaustible resources which are abundant in nature like sunlight. Okay, then we learned the process that how coal is formed, and finally we ended the lecture by saying that three main useful products we are getting from coal, such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. Fine. So by this video lecture the topics to be covered that are products of coal. Under this topic we will learn about what is coke, coal tar and what is coal gas. Okay, next we will talk about what is petroleum, uses of petroleum, formation of the petroleum and refining of the petroleum. Okay, so first topic, products of the coal. Under the product of the coal we will learn about first topic, that is coke. What is the coke? Coke is the solid, tough, porous form of the coal. Okay, again here it is black substance and it is pure form of carbon, and it is used in making iron and other metals. Okay, in second figure as you are able to see that there is the coal tar. Okay, so here this is the coal tar, which is the liquid form of the coal and having unpleasant smell. Okay, it is having unpleasant smell and it is used to day life and industries, and it is also used in plastic, paints, photographic, dyes, drugs, perfumes. Fine. Next we will talk about coal gas, that is the another form of the coal and that is generally found in gaseous form. It is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke and used as fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Okay, क्यों ये इंडस्ट्रीज जनरली कोल प्रोसेसिंग प्लांट्स के नियर ही क्यों बनाई जाती है? क्योंकि जैसे ही हमें कोल इंडस्ट्री से कोल मिलेगा और वो कोल गैस तुरंत ही उसको गैस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए उसके प्लांट्स उसके नियर ही बनाए जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो वी कैन से दे आर यूज्ड जनरली इज एज फ्यूल इन इंडस्ट्रीज ओनली. ओके, so next topic we will talk about, that is petroleum. Again it is very important topic of this chapter. So if I ask what is petroleum, you all might have thinking that petroleum is what could be? It could be petrol, right? But it is not only petrol. Petroleum includes not only petrol but also it has petroleum gas, diesel, lubricants oil, wax and petrol diesel. Here we can say again petroleum is the natural resources, likewise coal. Fine. So next topic, what is uses of the petroleum? That is, first we will talk about, it is very simple example that in day to day life we are using petrol in different ways. Like it is used as fuel in light automobiles like scooter, bike, activa, whatever we are using as a vehicles. In that type of vehicles we are using petrol, and that petrol we are getting petroleum only. Next if we talk about diesel also we are getting from petroleum and which is used in heavy motor vehicles. Another uses of petrol that are able to see in the image, that is like LPG, wax, gasoline, that is nowadays which is used very much, है ना, that is used in cars also. So another use, that is the diesel, paints, kerosene. So these many are the uses of petroleum. Next, now what is the formation of petrol? In previous lecture we have talked about the formation of coal. Okay, as we talked about formation of coal, the coal is formed when dead vegetation buried, है ना. उस लेक्चर में हमने यही बात की थी ना कि जब dead vegetation बरीड हो जाती है फॉर द 100 ऑफ द ईयर्स, है ना, एंड ड्यू टू द प्रेशर ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेडिमेंट लेयर्स एंड इज द हीट इज द रिस्पॉन्सिबल इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ coal. Okay, what were the factors? Like first the buried of the dead vegetation for the 100 of years, millions of years we can say, and due to the pressure of different sediment soil layers and heat are the main factors which are the responsible in the formation of coal. Likewise, in the case of petroleum, in first stage, as you are able to see in the figure, dead animal, this is we are getting obtaining from the sea only, है ना. So as you are able to see that dead animals are deposited in the bottom of the sea. जैसे ही जो भी dead decaying matter है वो किस में कहाँ पे जाके बॉटम में जाके डिपॉजिट हो जाते हैं, इट मीन्स टर्न्ड हो जाते हैं. और इन अनदर वर्ड्स वी कैन से पेट्रोल इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिज्म लिविंग इन द सी. इट मीन्स दैट्स ऑर्गेनिज्म which are living in the sea. From that type of organisms petrol we are getting. And in second stage we can say that they got covered with layers of the sand, clay, and as you are able to see here, impervious rocks. So okay, क्या होता है, impervious rock की प्रेशर के कारण वो पूरे ट्रैप्ड हो जाते हैं, पूरे पैक हो जाते हैं. क्या चीज़? what all things? The petroleum, or we can say the dead animals which are deposited in the bottom of the sea के बॉटम में जाके वो नीचे एकदम बैठ गए और उनके ऊपर अगेन सॉइल सेडिमेंट्स, सॉइल का सेडिमेंट लेयर्स का, क्ले का प्रेशर पड़ने के कारण और इस टाइप की जो रॉक्स हैं उनसे पूरे वो ट्रैप्ड हो जाते हैं, पूरे कवर्ड हो जाते हैं. और we can say over millions of years due to the absence of air. Obviously अब सन इतने बॉटम में, इतने डीप में रॉक्स के भी नीचे जब ये सारे डेड डिकेइंग मैटर जमा हो जाते हैं तो दे विल कन्वर्ट इन स्टिकी मैटर, लाइक ऑयली मैटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. और वहाँ पे एयर, हाई टेम्परेचर और एब्सेंस ऑफ द एयर, हाई टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर, these all transform the dead organism into petroleum and natural gas. Fine. As you are able to see in the figure, oil and gas is above of the water level. Oil and gas both are at the above of the water level, है ना, water के नीचे आपको दिख रहे हैं. So both are the above of the water level. So why is it so? What is the reason behind that? So we can say because oil and gas are lighter than water. दोनों ही oil gas both are the lighter, or we can say water is the heavier than oil and gas. So due to the lightness of the oil and gas, they will be seen on the groundwater. They will be seen on the surface of the water or water level. Fine. So they do not mix with the water. Now पेट्रोल तो बन गया भाई, पेट्रोलियम बन गया. यहाँ इतने सारे स्टेज कवर होने के बाद नाउ पेट्रोलियम इज़ रेडी. बट हाउ इट विल बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड? अब इनको बाहर भी तो निकालना है ना, हमें इस पेट्रोलियम को पानी में नहीं रहने देना है. सो हाउ कुड बी एक्सट्रैक्टेड फॉर द वेरियस यूजेस? सो वी कैन से इट इज़ एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ क्रस्ट थ्रू डीप ऑयल वेल्स. एज यू आर सी देयर आर द वेल्स, है ना. इन वेल्स के थ्रू ह्यूज पंप एक्सट्रैक्टेड. ये जो पंप दिख रहे हैं ना आपको दोनों, इन पंप्स के थ्रू वो बहुत ही डेप्थ में उनको सी के बॉटम में डिग किया जाता है और ड्रिल किया जाता है. ठीक है, इन पंप्स को वाटर के सी के एकदम बॉटम वाले लेवल तक उसको ड्रिल के थ्रू उन पंप्स को रखा जाता है. एंड दीज पंप्स आर हेल्पफुल टू एक्सट्रैक्टेड पेट्रोलियम through this deep oil wells. ठीक है, through this deep oil wells, petroleum which we obtain, that is the mixture of different compounds. Now the petroleum which we got, that is a crude oil, है ना. ये किस raw है, it is not usable. We can't use it after extracted from the sea levels. Okay, so it is not usable because there are lots of impurities with it. Fine. So for that, petrol needs to be refined in refineries to get fuels. Okay, so now what is the question? What is refining? What is the refining of the petrol? As we talked about that whenever crude oil is extracted from the wells, from the sea, from the water level, it is not pure. It is having lots of impurities with it. Okay, so it is need to refine it. That means to clean it, to boil it at a different temperature. So what is the refining of the petroleum? Refining is the process of separation of the various fractions of petroleum. Okay, what is the refining? That is the process of separation. That means petroleum, whenever it is taken out, whenever it is extracted from the wells, it is crude oil and it is having lots of impurities. Fine. And it is having, there are so many types of substance with it. Okay, so various fractions of petroleum like gas, petrol, diesel, paraffin, wax, etc. So it is carried out in petroleum refineries. It is carried out in petroleum refineries. Here it is, here what is happening in the refineries industries, it is here it is boiled. Okay, and once it is boiled at different temperature, different things come out. Okay, as you able to see in the figure. So at the different level, at the different temperature, they are boiled and we can get different substances. Okay, so till here I'm ending here. We are ending today's topic, today's video lecture. Let's see you in next part of this chapter. Till that, goodbye, take care, and thanks for the watching. If you like the video, please like, comment, and please don't subscribe the channel. Thank you.